Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set or change the screen out time of your Windows 11. Now, this tutorial is specifically for laptop, as you will know the difference later in this video. So, if you want to change the screen out time of your Windows 11 computer, then you need to follow the following steps. First, go to the search bar and search for Control Panel. Then, once you open the control panel, you can see the System and Security tab right here. Simply click on this tab. Now, from here, you can see the power options. Simply click on it, and then you can see the Change Plan Settings in this page. Click on the Change Plan Settings, and it will lead you to this particular option right here. From here, you can see the Turn Off Display. Now, it has two variants. First, when your laptop is on battery, and the other when your laptop is plugged in or when it is charging. Now, you can set the different time. For example, if I change it to say 5 minutes, then my laptop will only black out after 5 minutes while it is on battery. And then if I change this particular toggle, for example, let's say 3 hours, then my laptop will only black out after 3 hours while it is being charged. So this way you can adjust to any of the time that you find suitable. If you want your laptop to never black out, for example, if you are downloading a particular long file and you don't want the screen to get turned off, then you can simply click it to never. Now that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.